Uptown Swing.
Level 1, Charleston.
Peter.
Abby.
All right, so this is week 3. We're getting y'all working. Some things we tried. Boop, back, boop, back. And then we move forward. Boop, back, boop. This is a little warm up for you, just to transition to your basics. So before you even kick in everything, you just go boop, forward, boop, back, boop, forward, boop, back. That was a big fix for everybody. Can we turn this way one time? So that when we do our basics all the way through, 5, 6, 7, we go rock, step, kick, step, double, kick, step, boom. Oh, sorry, that was going to happen, wasn't it? we back up on that, so we'll just show you this way. We actually back up, boom, back a little bit, so we fall on that kick a little bit easier. It makes easier transition. A little bit of forward and a little bit of back on the basic. A little bit can really help. Then we practice skip up. Just to remind you, on your basic, you're going to be here, on your skip up, you got to go. Travel and twist and kick. Then we worked on kickaways the whole bunch. Let's do it this way so you can kind of see it from the back. We went drop, step, kick, step, double kick. No, with the hand on the hip. I'm saying we're going again. Know how much we turn, see? Cool, we really turn away from each other. We're helping each other. And now we're done. When I got the back, oh, can't really turn again. So, we did that. And then, we did all the way around the world. Hey, we had double kick, then single, double kick, and then we go right back into this and be done. A little mantra for you all. Rock, step, kick. We got double kick, double kick, double kick. Then single, double kick. That could be helpful for you to practice the turning. You can practice single kick. That's good for the turning. You can practice just by yourself, actually. And for the double kick, all this kick away stuff, that's probably nice to not do the turning with because it really helps with your partner. But you can practice the rhythm if you like. Double kick, switch, double kick, switch, double kick, switch. Just good practice for you. Any of that Charleston practice solo by yourself, keeping the rhythm is really strong. And remember, when you practice, don't have practice. It really won't help. One of the things that works so well in class, halfway through your body's got warmed up, you all start dancing a little more with a little more engagement, and it really pulls the thing together. So when you practice, commit to sweating for a little bit, and then you can be done. See you next week.